Hi there, students. Harsh. Okay, harsh is an adjective. Harshly, the adverb. And harshness, the noun. Okay, we use harsh in two different ways. Either we use it to mean severe and cruel, a harsh punishment, a harsh winter, harsh treatment. My boss treats me harshly. The harshness of the winter this year was immense. And then we also use harsh to mean unpleasant, disagreeable to the senses. So harsh colours, not pastel colours, or a harsh voice, rough, coarse, harsh lighting that's painful to the eyes. Maybe you put your sunglasses on. A harsh texture, or if food has a harsh flavour, it's maybe bitter and not pleasant to eat. So it's just not nice. So harsh, unpleasant. He said some harsh things about me. Severe, cruel, unpleasant. Yeah, all three go together there. So harsh could mean hostile to survival, difficult to live in, harsh conditions, harsh weather, a harsh storm. The environment on Mars is very harsh for human life. So, rough and grating to the senses. The harshness of bleach or detergent is bad for your clothes, and maybe you should use a fabric softener. Harsh, acrid smoke was in my eyes. And then harsh, severe or cruel. Yeah, he received harsh treatment. Life is a harsh master, a harsh penalty. The harshness of the prison sentence surprised the lawyers. Okay, so rough, unpleasant, coarse, C-O-A-R-S-E, coarse. Abrasive, yeah? Harsh brandy. This brandy is very harsh. It needs to mellow out. Then harsh, severe, cruel, brutal. A harsh punishment, a harsh look, harsh conditions, harsh laws. Notice you can be harsh on somebody to treat them with excess severity. As a teacher, I think sometimes I am too harsh on my students and pull them up, stop them for every mistake. And maybe I should let them go on a bit. So harsh is one of these words that students don't use. Try using it. It's a really good word. Strongly unpleasant. Fairly violent. Yeah? So what about formality? I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. So it's a flexible word and you can use it anywhere. In an informal conversation in the pub and in a very formal document. Yeah? So that makes it a lot easier to use. And as to origin, apparently it comes from Old Norse, from Scandinavia. And there was a word, husk, which meant rancid. Rancid is oil or butter that is old and stale and smells bad. It's gone off. Yeah? Rancid butter, rancid oil. Ugh. Okay? So, harsh. That's the idea. So, we use harsh to mean severe or cruel, or disagreeable to the senses. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't, then you could make some harsh comments. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Harshly.